Hey guys, it's Bridget Moore with the Bridget Moore Group here at our newest listing located at 27117 Orleans Hill Court over in Northgrove. This home offers over 2,100 square feet and is one of my favorite floor plans. It's a 1-story with 3 bedrooms and a study, which could also be a 4th bedroom plus 2.5 baths. This kitchen is stunning and loaded with upgrades from a herringbone backsplash, granite countertops, stainless appliances, undermount lighting, and 2 expansive breakfast bars. You've got a split floor plan with your primary bedroom located away from your secondary bedrooms, tons of room for oversized furniture. Your primary bath offers dual sinks, a huge Texas walk-in shower, 2 closets, both with built-ins, and my favorite part is your primary closet leads right into the laundry room, which makes doing laundry a breeze. This home has absolutely everything, from upgraded lighting, carpet, pads, wood tile floor, even a covered back patio with a screened-in door. Plus you've got a generator and even epoxy coating in the garage. Located in Magnolia in the Northgrove community, you've got a ton of amenities here, from parks, rec centers, pools, playgrounds, and more. For any questions or to schedule your private showing on this home, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.